The Flexplorer is an expedition vessel built in steel and aluminum by CDM. She has been designed by the studio Hydrotech. The studio has designed both the exteriors and the engineering of the boat. Her length overall is 39.6 meter for 130 feet. She has a beam of 8.6 meter or 28 feet, and her draft is 2.6 meter or 8.5 feet. The exterior line of the Flexplorer has a superstructure which has been moved forward the vessel in comparison with the traditional three-deck boats. This is of course to grant the proper space on the main deck aft to carry the large tender. The overall volume of the vessel is 453 gross tonnage. The Flexplorer has two Caterpillar engines. The vessel top speed is 15 knots, and she has a very remarkable range at 10 knots of cruising speed. In fact, the range is in excess of 7,700 nautical miles. This is assured by the low fuel consumption of the vessel, and also by the very voluminous fuel tanks. There are specifically on the Flexplorer 4 different fuel tanks, 2 to port and 2 to starboard side, and there are 2 daily tanks inside the engine room. The total volume of the fuel tanks is 52,000 liters or 15,000 gallons. And the 4 fuel tanks are divided by a tunnel which runs longitudinally between the engine room and another lower tank. The purpose of this tunnel is actually to make it possible for the crew to have an easy and quick inspection of the fuel tanks. And it's a feature which is mostly used in commercial vessels. In the Flexplorer, this underlower deck is quite high. In fact, I can, being 1.85 meter in height, I can stand there. And in the Flexplorer, the space is occupied by custom-made fridge and freezers, as well as ship systems of the like of boilers and several pumps. And there is also one of the spaces where the owners can store all the luggages.